Namaskar, good evening, Sawadee. This is Guruji Shrii Arnav from the 72nd Bangkok International Gem and Jewellery Show. 7 plus 2 is 9, and today is a very special date, 9/9/2025. The day is 09, the month is 09, and the year 2025. 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9. We just saw the most magnificent ruby, valued starting at $100,000 plus, weighing 5.04 carats, which is also 9. Today there is a wonderful diaspora of people. We have around 67 countries participating till now. Very, very fascinating. If you really want to raise your game, not just in gemstones, but in every which way in life, this is a platform that will give you invaluable experience, something that you can't pay for. I wish you well, and even though the industry is suppressed because of COVID and then the economy, the gem industry has shown that when all of us are together, we can sail through. God bless you, and hope to show you many more classic, good, rare footage from the Gem and Jewellery Show. God bless you.
अरे
What a view, यार.
ए चोरा, जल्दी कर, संडे बनाने की आदत पड़ गई क्या तुझे भी?